In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export download Freshsales Crm contact list. Before we begin, it is important to know one key limitation in Freshsales. You cannot do a true bulk export of all contacts at once from the contacts list. Instead, you can export contacts one at a time and repeat the same process for each contact you need. This method is simple and reliable, but it can take a little time if you have a long list, so plan accordingly. Start by opening your Freshsales account and looking at the left side vertical navigation bar. This is the main menu where you access different areas of the CRM. Find the contacts icon. It usually looks like a person's silhouette. Click Contacts to open your contacts list view. This list view is where you can browse and search through your saved contacts. Next, locate the specific contact you want to export. You can scroll through the list or use any available search or filtering options in your view to find the right person faster. Once you see the contact you need, click the name of that contact. This will open the individual contact record, where you can view details like their information and activity history. Now that you are inside the contact record, move your attention to the top right area of the page. Look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click the three dots to open the drop-down menu of actions available for that contact. In that menu, select Export. After you choose Export, Freshsales will process the request and send the exported file through email. This means you will not always receive a download instantly on the screen. Instead, check the email inbox associated with your Freshsales account and look for the export message. If you do not see it right away, give it a moment and also check your spam or junk folder, since automated export emails can sometimes be filtered. Once the email arrives, open it and download the attached export file. Then repeat these same steps for any additional contacts you need to export. And that is all there is to it.